Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Nokia 9 PureView. Begin by opening Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, just do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, sorry misclick, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by hitting OK. In order to use this app without Wi-Fi connection, you need to select Close in the pop-up at the top and click on this gray sweater at the top right corner. If you don't want to do that, just don't click on it. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nokia. Also on Nokia, you need to choose the best option for your apps after scrolling down. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Motorola. You can finally use all of those categories from the tab to choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the couple of them. I will go with only one. Wherever you decide, when you finish, choose Send next to Selected located at the bottom of Motorola. Tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect, thanks to this QR code, hit this scanning icon above User Guide on Nokia. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Nokia's camera at the code. In order to use this key though, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and tap on Receive button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!